Jai Swaminarayan everybody, good morning to you all. So today we are going to start our SST's second lesson, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life Part 2. But before that, the thought of the day is explore your talent by trying out new things. It means we are having lots of qualities and capabilities inside us, but we don't know. That's why you are also having a lots of capabilities, abilities and qualities in yourself, but sometimes you don't know that kind of qualities and abilities you are having. So to know your qualities and abilities inside you, you have to try out the new things. Just try new things. Maybe you are good in drawing, maybe you are good in something else. So to try out new things, you can get your abilities by trying out new things. So let's begin the topic. Today we are going to learn about the places of human habitation in India. Many archaeologists, many anthropologists and many historians are that who have found the human habitation places in India and some information about the implements that they were using as a tool at that time. Okay, so basically before knowing about the things, we should know what is archaeologist, what is anthropologist and what is historians. Okay, so what is archaeologist? Archaeologists are the scientists who study people and culture. They study artifacts found in the ground. Okay, so they were the scientists, just like we seen in the movie that some pieces of rocks have been found and the scientists have told us that this rocks is 5,000 years old and 2,000 years old. So they are the archaeologists who are basically study the human culture, okay, of past. And what is anthropologists? They are the scientists who study the development and behavior of human beings throughout the world, present and past. They are also like archaeologists, but they are having a little different work because archaeologists are only studying about the past, the artifacts that they were found. But anthropologists are the scientists who are comparing the modern time to previous time, past and present. They are studying the both time, past and present, to help better understanding of humanity as a whole, so that we can understand our development as a human, how much we have developed. And who are historians? Historian is a person who study event of the past. Okay, who are studying about the past, who are gathering information about the past, who are making records of past. That's the thing. So there are many habitation in India that have been found, just like in Vindhya mountains there are Bhimbetka caves, okay, Kashmir, Thar desert. So there are lots of settlements are there in India. Son river, Palan valley, in Saurashtra also, Gujarat also, Deccan plateau also, Central India also, Chota Nagpur plateau. So there are lots of places, and they were using tools in Paleolithic age. They were scientists like archaeologists, anthropologists and historians have been found that in a Paleolithic age, the primitive man was using a tool made up of stones, rocks, bones and wood. Paleolithic is the longest time period of Stone Age. That's why it is also divided into three parts, just like lower, middle and upper Paleolithic age. These tools are just like hand axes, pebbles and cleavers made up of chipped rocks and quartz rock, just like they were living in Bhimbetka caves nearby sources of water, and it is also made up of quartz rock. So they were easily found this type of rocks in there, and they were started communicating by using the cave paintings. As they were living in a cave, so they were started using paintings on the walls of caves, such as mostly around 5,000 pictures are there which were found in Bhimbetka caves by the scientists of birds, fishes and many more. Okay, so they are the one who have discovered the wheel and who have discovered the fire. So primitive mans are that who used by the using of fire and wheels. They were believed in the next life, so that's why they were started to bury their dead body. And their normal and average lifespan was just around 20 to 25 years, and after that maximum in nowadays we are having a average lifespan is 60 to 65 years and around 70 also, but at that time in a primitive man the average lifespan was 20 to 25 years only. So in Paleolithic age, the tools which were used by the primitive man are hand axes, cleavers and paper tools, which were generally made up of bones, woods and rock. In starting it was made up of rock, and slowly when they starting development they were making it by wood and bones. And in Bhimbetka caves, where the human settlement was found in Madhya Pradesh, in the Bhimbetka cave walls nearby 500 to 5000 paintings, pictures are there, which was drawn and colored by natural colors. And which kind of pictures are there? Pictures of birds, deer, tree, human and fishes also. Okay. As we are learning about the Paleolithic word, so basically let me tell you some facts about this word. You know, the first Paleolithic word was coined by John Lubbock in 1865. He was the first person who used the word Paleolithic. And do you know the first discovery of Paleolithic tool when it happens in India? The first discovery of Paleolithic tool in India have been done in 1863 by Robert Bruce Foote. He was the first archaeologist who discovered the first Paleolithic tool in India. And who is our Indian father, okay, in archaeology? So father of Indian archaeology is Sir Alexander Cunningham. He was the first person as known as the father of Indian archaeology. Okay. So in today we are going to know, we have already know about the Paleolithic time, Paleolithic tools and the people in Paleolithic time. Okay, so we have already learned so many things about the primitive man, that they were using these tools just like pebbles, cleavers and hand axes to cut the trees, cut the plants, cut the meat. And when the discovery of wheel and fire have been done, the fire have been used to cook the meat and light the cave to scare away the wild animals. So there were lots of uses of fires also. So the primitive mans, we can say that the primitive mans are used with fire. They know about fire, and they have discovered the wheels, which was starting it is made up of rock, but when it time goes, they were started making it by the tree trunk or a thick wood. Okay, so in next class we will know about the changing environment of primitive man. Okay, in Paleolithic age they were just living a nomadic life, just like a lonely and wandering life from one place to another place. But when it comes to a settled life, the environment has totally changed. So in the next class we will learn about the settled life of primitive man, how their life was settled, when, how. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much everybody. Till then, Jai Swaminarayan.